For Moscow Mule, we will need vodka, spicy ginger beer or ginger beer, mint leaf, and lime. On your left is a Schweppes spicy ginger beer, and on your right is the Fever Tree ginger beer. Here's the fresh mint leaf. I use Grey Goose vodka for Moscow Mule. You can use some other vodka if you want to. You can put 20 to 30 ml. It depends on your mood. And very simple. You just top ice. Okay, then you can add the ginger beer or spicy ginger beer. But for this version, I add the ginger beer. Use your wine opener to open the bottle and top up. And now I'm preparing the lime. You can slice a lime wheel for your garnish and separate some lime for the lime juice. I add some lime juice inside and I pick some fresh mint leaf. Make sure you wash first. Set aside for your garnish later on. Squeeze the lime, then you can put all inside the glass, your copper glass. You can add some crushed ice, but I don't have the crushed ice. Then mix. Prepare your mint leaf and the lime wheel. You cut it so you can hang it to your copper glass. That's it, almost ready.